Hey dudes and chicks and neither, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and this is Makeup for Last Time. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. It's the Kaleidos VR Neon palette, and so if you like to watch, stay with me. Today I'm gonna do a look. I'm gonna pop this palette's cherry, take its fucking virginity, stick my dick in it. It's the Kaleidos VR Neon palette, and God, every time I get under my lights, I just start sweating. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I gotta be to school. This is what the palette looks like. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a red and orange look. So I've got my Morphe JH33 and I'm gonna go into the color Game Over. This is what I do with palettes when they have the plastic, the names on the plastic. I just glue the plastic to the top. And so this color is Game Over and I'm going into that. And I'm just dragging this through the crease, but really I'm dragging it kind of above the crease. So what I do is I kind of just find where my bone is and I just go along the bone. Because if you look, where the bone is where my shadow is going to show if my eye is open. For those of us with hooded eyes. And I'm just taking this color and building and building. So start small. Kaleidos shadows are really easy to build anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm just kind of taking this out. And I want to get it pretty opaque, so I really want to get it opaque on the outside and kind of lighter on the inside because I want it to be more orange in there. And then I'm going to use my Zoeva 221. Yeah, my Zoeva 221. And I'm going to go into the color Boss. It's this bright orange right here. I'm just taking this to the inside and really blowing that out right there. And then running my color back. Man, this palette is fucking awesome. Ah! And now I'm going back into the red. Game Over. And I'm just packing this color on the outside. I'm using my Morphe JH39 pencil brush and I'm going into the color Game Over and I'm just going to run this along my lower lid. And I'm just going to take that on the outside because I really want the orange to be on the inside. And then I'm going to use my Zoeva 221 and I'm just going to maybe I should do something a little bit smaller. I'm going to just use this Wet n Wild brush that I have and I'm going to pack this and then pretty. Man, that looks really pretty. And I'm just going to use this pencil brush again and just pack that red back on there so you can really, so I don't lose it. I really want to keep that V right there. Nice. Okay, I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer and some crappy ABH brush that's dirty as fuck. Man, that looks fucking cool. And I'm just gonna go like this. Pack that on my lid. I'm gonna use my Kaleidos S5 and I'm gonna take this color Easter Egg and I'm gonna pack this pink. Right here in the middle. I'm gonna spray this so I don't get a bunch of fallout on my... Ooh. And then I'm gonna use the other side and I'm gonna go into the color Hologram and spray that. And use this. That looks fucking awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the color Hologram again, this orange, and I'm gonna grab whatever kick up I just made. And I think I'm gonna spray that. And I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. And then I'm just using my pencil brush from the I Slay collection, the Morphe I Slay collection, to kind of just feather this because it looks really good, but it doesn't look perfect. I'm gonna take this S5 brush from the Kaleidos and I'm going to dip that into Easter Egg, the pink color, and I'm gonna drag this along my lower lid. Awesome. Yeah, this is perfect. So I'm going to do the other eye, put some color on my waterline, some lips, do my eyelashes, and I'll be back. So this is the final look. I love it. I love this palette. It's amazing. I literally feel like I could just slather my whole fucking body on it. Or, yeah, slather my body on it. Anyway, I used my ColourPop gel liner in Boots, and then I took the color Easter Egg and put it over the top of it so that it would have that like iridescent, like metallic shimmer. And then what? I used my Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine in the color Bang. The color Bang. It's like this red, fluorescent red. I don't like it as much as, I think I'm going to change it to a different color. But anyway, that's it. I got to use my ColourPop Kathleen Lights orange. What is this? So Retrograde. I love it when I get a chance to use that. So yeah, and then I use my Ray Ryder Kaleidos highlighter. Yeah, I love it. I love this look. I feel super pretty. I love it with these blue earrings because it's like kind of primary and bright, but like doesn't match. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you guys can see every time that I upload. I love you guys so much. You could have been anywhere, but you were here with me and I appreciate you. Bye.